All right, guys, today is unboxing for our March company for Year of the Beard. What company? Norseman Beard Products. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, beard tips, and gear reviews, then you've come to the right place. Today is our unboxing for Year of the Beard and our March company, Norseman Beard Products. So, I know you can't see it on there, but this is a full stout box of products. So, we're gonna bust into this, see what products we're gonna be using for the month. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And this is all wrapped and taped, and let's just figure out a good way to get in it. Let's see. So if you haven't already checked out the other videos for Year of the Beard, you need to check out that playlist. I'll put the card up top for that playlist and you can go check it out. Norseman Beard Products. Now, let's get this out the way. And this thing is packed. Alright, let's get it turned. Look at that. Alright, so let's see, we got a card here. That's what our card looks like. Doug, here's enough scents that you shouldn't get bored for the month, hopefully. The Golden Fleece butter is new, so the labels aren't ready yet. I used an oil label. I use the conditioning Cowash every day. Bottom line is that you are putting wax products and heavy butter in your beard. It needs to be washed out. I hope you enjoy, Terry. So thank you for the handwritten note. What fell out of it when we opened it up were some business cards. And a sticker. So there's that. I will put all his contact information in the description below so you can check that out. Now let's see what we got here. So we got Golden Fleece. These are the cobalt blue bottles, 1 fluid ounce. Check out that label. That logo looks really cool. We got Golden Fleece. We've got Thor's Blend, Well of Urd, U-R-D, I guess that's how you pronounce that. Goodness gracious, there's more. Frigg's Brew. I don't even know how to pronounce that. M-J-O-L-N-I-R. Now, I have not looked at scent profiles on the website in a while. So, Frizzor, F-R-I-S-O-R. It's got a little barbershop thing on there, so I'm guessing that's going to be a barbershop scent. And Odin's Voyage. That is all our oils. And we got butter. Butter comes in the 2 ounce little screw top container. Check that out. This is the one he said he didn't have the labels done yet, so we've got just an oil label. So we've got butter. All right, so we got 1 Balm in here, and it's the one that I can't pronounce, the M-J-O-L-N-I-R. So we got 1 Balm, and then we have the Cowash, medium wash and conditioner. And that comes in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. So, let's get the box out of the way. And let's see what all this smells like. We'll start with the Cowash since it's in our hand. And it has no scent on here, so I'm guessing it's going to be unscented. Has kind of a, almost like a mint a little eucalyptus, maybe just a fresh, clean scent. So that smells really good. All right, so let's talk about the beard balm. It's the only beard balm that we have in the box, and it is the one that I cannot pronounce, which is MJOLNIR. It smells, it's very subtle, but it's got a good, it don't rattle. It's got a little rattle to it. But you can see it takes a little bit to get that out. So this is gonna be a good, good semi-hold, maybe a firm hold. We'll find out more when we get it in there. But the scent on this is African musk, sweet tobacco, and sweet orange. So let's dig around here and find the oil. Ooh, that smells good. That balm is a little more subtle, a little more low-key on the scent. But that smells good. I pick up that tobacco and a hint of that orange. And you got a little bit of that musk in there. That's a good scent. All right, so next, what we got? Golden Fleece. So it's a little bit darker oil. Ooh. That is good. Mike Cribbs, this one's for you, buddy. Swag, this one is for you. So where is our butter that goes with this? Oh, we got little caps. So it's got little top on here. Oh yeah, that smells. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Just creamy goodness. Oh yeah, I'm ready to get this in my beard. All right, so there is Golden Fleece, which is ooh. So next one we have Thor's Blend. Let's smell it before we look at the label. Oh, that one is, what is it? It's a nice scent. What we got here? Cherry tobacco and rum. They blend so good together. That's a unique scent right there. Where's our butter? Thor's Blend on the butter. Same consistency. A little more subtle. Not quite as strong as the oil, but it smells good. All right, so the next one is Frigg's Brew. So I have an idea what this one might be just based on the name. So let's get a little whiff. That is good coffee right there. What is this? Coffee, vanilla, and cinnamon. Now in bottle, I get the coffee with a hint of the vanilla. Not a whole lot of cinnamon in this. Maybe when I warm it up, I'll get that. But first impression, that's coffee all the way. So where's our butter? All right, so we don't have a butter in Frigg's Brew. All right, so next we have Well of Erd. Get a little shake. What is that? It smells good, but I can't pick up what it is. I'm gonna have to go to my cheat sheet. Black fig and honey. I get a little bit of that honey, and I guess I just don't know what fig smells like. But it smells really good. It smells really good. Do we have it in? We don't have that one in butter either. So really good scent on the oil. All right, so our last two. Odin's Voyage. Let's get a shake. What is that? It's a really subtle scent. It's not anything popping out at you. Fresh Nordic Seas. And it smells really good. It's one of those, it's just a little calmer, a little more subtle scent. So our butter, again, and I can pick it up in there. It's just a little more subtle than the oil, which the oil is pretty subtle as well. All right, so our last product is Frizzor, F-R-I-S-O-R. Get a shake. This is the one with the little barbershop little light on it. So, oh yeah, that's barbershop. No, hands down, that is barbershop. Old time barbershop, right there. That thing is awesome. I love a barbershop scent. They are amazing. So good. Now, to me, a barbershop scent is one of those that's just a classic smell. It's a clean smell, and it's just a fresh scent that just makes you think that you just got a clean, fresh cut, and you're rocking it. It is amazing. I love a barbershop scent. So this is really amazing. I smell so good. All right, so this is what we have for March. Let's just say it's going to be a busy month. A busy month. So make sure to stay tuned through Year of the Beard. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that bell so you're notified when I drop new content, so you can follow along on this journey for March as well as the rest of the journeys for the year. If you haven't caught any of the previous videos, like I said, there's a card up top. You can go check that out. I will also put a link to that playlist in the description below, and you can go check that out. But Year of the Beard, Norseman beard products for the month of March. You're not going to want to miss this. There's going to be an update every week about how this stuff is performing in my beard, with a final thoughts video at the end of the month, giving you a breakdown of how it has done over the course of the entire month. So make sure to stay tuned. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless. All right, so let's talk about the butter. The butter is in the,